constant innovation.
I think this the scale.
Surveillance and plagiarism.
I think accessibility.
India, a country with so many artists and so many art forms, has a culture sector that is informal. It's ambiguous. And where is the training?
I work as a marketing consultant for arts and culture startups. I've not particularly had any training in cultural studies.
I'm BSc Economics graduate, but being an arts and cultural manager, I have attended a few workshops which can give me some background about or some context about how arts management works.
So our challenge was not just to deliver the learning, but to design a curriculum that met the needs of these professionals. So we devised 8 digital workshops with facilitators who are leaders in their field, covering themes such as online production, digital humanities, technology, audience development, and value creation in the arts.
We went about this by actually bringing in 5 experts from the field of arts and management who helped us develop a series of conversations and public lectures. Through the findings of these events, we were able to come up with a holistic curriculum on which we based the rest of this project through a series of workshops.
We were all like coming from a confused space, and like we had all our opinions, but having that expert giving us a presentation on things which were already mulling over. So I think that really helped me push forward.
What was unique about this program was that you had to think digitally.
The diversity of content and scope in a very short fellowship was really unique.
I loved the community. For the first time, I met people from the arts community across the country. So I'm continuing to engage and collaborate with all of them. And most importantly, I think all of those mindful practices to everything, the whole experience was top-notch.
A program like this brings everyone together. Like, when we put our problems out there, we know that it's not just us, it's everyone's facing their own challenges. And by being, within a community and by helping each other out, we all can grow together.
They were listening to the people, that it wasn't just one-sided, that if we said something, they were very keen on finding out and improving.
It really did create a sense of community. It didn't make me feel like I was alone trying to figure this out.
So the Goethe-Institut has been active in the field of cultural management for almost the past 20 years. And when we were planning this big project involving 3 countries worldwide, the topic of cultural management in the digital age was already quite relevant. But then the pandemic hit in, and it became important for us as the Goethe-Institut, as a player in the cultural field, but also for a lot of institutions and people in our partner network. And I think the industry needs input on this now more than ever.
We had a great time putting together this project. There was a wealth of information that was generated. Everything's on our website, and there's lots of reading material. There are a lot of videos that you can take a look at. I'm sure they would be helpful for all cultural managers. We also plan to continue with this project, and we'll have a lot more events. So do keep in touch. You can follow us on our social media channel or on the website of Mumbai, and we look forward to your participation.